Imagine a landscape painted in shades of emerald and jade, where the vibrant hues of nature come alive in a mesmerizing dance of colors. The air hangs heavy, thick with the scent of humid earth and water lilies, creating an atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. The mist rises gently from the wetlands, adding a mystical touch to the serene environment. This is the backdrop for countless crocodile farms scattered across tropical regions like Thailand, Australia, and Zimbabwe. Each farm is a unique blend of tradition and modernity, where ancient practices meet contemporary techniques. Picture sprawling enclosures, not cages, mimicking the natural habitat of these ancient creatures. These enclosures are designed to provide a safe and comfortable environment for the crocodiles, allowing them to thrive as they would in the wild. Sunlight glints off still water, where logs, some real, some cleverly disguised concrete, offer basking spots for these prehistoric reptiles. The sight of crocodiles basking in the sun, their scales glistening, is a testament to the careful planning and design of these farms. These farms, often family-owned and passed down through generations, represent a delicate balance between economic enterprise and ecological responsibility. The knowledge and skills required to manage these farms are handed down from one generation to the next, ensuring the continuity of this unique way of life. Stepping onto a farm is like stepping back in time, into a world where these formidable creatures are respected as a valuable resource. The historical elements at the entrance of the farm serve as a reminder of the rich heritage and traditions that underpin this industry. The air buzzes, not just with insects but also with a palpable energy. The bustling activity at the farm is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the people who run it. It's the energy of raw power, held in check by generations of knowledge and a deep understanding of crocodile behavior. The experienced workers handle the crocodiles with a mix of respect and confidence, their actions guided by years of experience and a deep connection to these magnificent creatures. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the landscape, the crocodiles move gracefully through the water, their movements a reminder of the timeless beauty and power of nature. The panoramic view of the farm at sunset is a fitting end to a day in this extraordinary place, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. The life cycle on a crocodile farm begins with the gentle collection of eggs from carefully constructed nesting mounds. Incubation occurs in temperature-controlled environments, mimicking the warmth of the mother's body. Tiny, thrashing crocodiles, each no bigger than a handspan, emerge from their leathery shells. These hatchlings are meticulously sorted and moved to climate-controlled nurseries, their growth and health closely monitored. Their diet, rich in protein and nutrients, consists of carefully measured portions of fish, poultry, and specially formulated feed, ensuring optimal growth and bone development. As they grow, they graduate to larger enclosures, mimicking the natural progression from juvenile to adult. Working on a crocodile farm demands a unique blend of courage and caution. Every inch of a crocodile, from its powerful jaws to its armored tail, speaks of a primal strength that commands respect. Safety is paramount. Experienced handlers move with a calm confidence, understanding crocodile behavior and anticipating their reactions. Specialized tools like strong hooks and sturdy barriers are used to guide the animals and maintain a safe distance during routine care and health checks. Even the most seasoned handlers acknowledge the inherent danger of their profession. Yet, there's a deep respect for the crocodiles, an understanding that they are wild animals, not domesticated pets. As the crocodiles reach maturity, usually around 4 to 7 years, they are carefully selected for harvesting. The transition from farm to processing facility is designed to be as stress-free as possible. Modern crocodile farms prioritize humane treatment, employing methods that minimize suffering and ensure a swift and dignified end. The facilities themselves are a far cry from the rudimentary setups of the past. Contemporary crocodile farms boast state-of-the-art processing plants, adhering to the strictest international hygiene and safety standards. These facilities are designed for efficiency, ensuring that every part of the crocodile is utilized, minimizing waste and maximizing the value of each animal. The art of transformation from rawhide to luxury. The transformation of crocodile skin from a raw hide to a coveted luxury item is a process steeped in tradition and craftsmanship. Skilled artisans, often trained for generations, begin by carefully inspecting and cleaning each hide. They meticulously remove any imperfections, ensuring the integrity and beauty of the leather. Next, the hides undergo a tanning process, using natural tannins or modern, environmentally friendly alternatives. This crucial step transforms the perishable skin into a supple, durable material, resistant to decay and the test of time. The tanned hides are then graded and sorted based on their size, scale pattern, and overall quality, determining their final destination in the luxury goods market. Coveted crocodile, a symbol of luxury and status. This exotic leather has captivated the hearts of fashion enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike, becoming a hallmark of sophistication and prestige. Crocodile leather, with its distinctive scale pattern and luxurious feel, has long been synonymous with opulence and exclusivity. The unique texture and sheen of crocodile skin make it instantly recognizable and highly desirable. Fashion houses and designers around the world prize it for its durability, beauty, and air of timeless elegance. The meticulous craftsmanship involved in creating crocodile leather products ensures that each piece is not only beautiful, but also built to last. From handcrafted handbags and wallets to belts and shoes, crocodile leather accessories command premium prices. These items are often seen as investments, cherished for their ability to retain value and even appreciate over time. The allure of crocodile extends beyond fashion. Its versatility and luxurious appeal have made it a favorite in various industries, from high-end accessories to bespoke furniture. Watch straps made from this exotic leather are highly sought after by collectors and connoisseurs. The combination of a fine timepiece with a crocodile leather strap elevates the watch to a new level of sophistication. Furniture makers too incorporate crocodile leather into their designs, adding a touch of the exotic to armchairs, sofas, and even wall coverings. The rich texture and durability of crocodile leather make it an excellent choice for high-end interior design. Owning a crocodile product is not just a fashion statement, it's a statement of success, discerning taste, and an appreciation for timeless luxury. It signifies a level of achievement and an eye for the finer things in life, making it a coveted possession for those who value elegance and exclusivity. Beyond the skin, a look at crocodile meat consumption. While crocodile skin might be the most recognizable product, the meat too is gaining popularity as a delicacy in many parts of the world. Crocodile meat, a lean protein source rich in nutrients, is considered a sustainable alternative to traditional livestock. The meat is carefully inspected, trimmed, and processed, adhering to the highest food safety standards. From gourmet restaurants to specialty butcher shops, crocodile meat is appearing on menus in increasingly diverse forms. Crocodile steaks, skewers, and even crocodile burgers are tantalizing adventurous eaters with their unique flavor and texture. As consumer demand for exotic and sustainable protein sources continues to grow, crocodile meat is poised to carve its own niche in the global culinary landscape. Balancing act profitability, sustainability, and the ethical debate. The world of commercial crocodile farming is a complex and multifaceted industry that requires a delicate balance between various competing interests. The commercial crocodile farming industry, valued at billions of dollars, plays a significant role in the global economy. From luxury fashion items to exotic meats, the products derived from crocodiles are in high demand, driving substantial revenue streams. It provides livelihoods for communities and contributes to economic growth, particularly in developing countries. Many local economies depend heavily on this industry, offering jobs and financial stability to thousands of families. This economic success, however, is intertwined with ongoing debates about sustainability and animal welfare. The industry faces scrutiny from environmentalists and animal rights activists who question the long-term viability and ethicality of farming these ancient reptiles. Advocates argue that well-regulated crocodile farms help conserve wild populations by reducing poaching pressure. By providing a legal and controlled source of crocodile products, these farms can alleviate the hunting of wild crocodiles, thus aiding in their conservation. They also point to the industry's efforts to minimize its environmental footprint through responsible water management and waste reduction. Advanced technologies and sustainable practices are being implemented to ensure that the environmental impact is kept to a minimum. Critics, however, raise concerns about the ethical implications of confining and farming wild animals. They argue that no matter how well regulated, the practice of keeping these creatures in captivity for profit is inherently problematic. They question whether the pursuit of profit, even within a regulated system, can truly coexist with the well-being of these ancient creatures. The ethical debate is further fueled by images of confined crocodiles and the conditions in which they are kept. Finding a balance between economic prosperity, Ecological responsibility and ethical considerations will remain the central challenge for the future of the crocodile farming industry. As the world becomes more conscious of sustainability and animal rights, the industry must adapt and evolve to meet these growing concerns while continuing to provide economic benefits.